These days, it's very common to feel overwhelmed and to feel good, just so busy. Too often going through the motions each day with too many notifications and distractions that keep you from putting time towards what you really enjoy and what you really need. You are also feeling burdened and uncomfortable from rising inflation, supply chain issues, and frequent global shock events. 3 just in the last 20 years. You want more resiliency and stability in your life. You seek a fresh and unique alternative like the Kansas City Wellness Club. Resiliency is achieved when you are dependent only on local and consistent and sustainable resources, not on global resources that we have seen have a tendency to break down too often. You have always wanted to support your local communities, but especially so recently, as the last few years have shown us how quickly our favorite restaurants and businesses can be taken away from us. You often say how you would prefer to support your local farmers, businesses, friends, family, neighbors, but it is so hard to know how to easily do that, as the tidal wave of modern day life is relentless and extremely tough to break free from. This is exactly why the Kansas City Wellness Club was created, to simplify the pathway to provide for your core life needs in ways that align with your core values. We consider food, clothing, health, and home the 4 core life necessities that everyone in the world shares in common. The Wellness Club is a modern-day wellness center that guides you to rise above the tidal wave of modern-day life through transformative experiences and empowering education. We save you time and money from going to multiple places for your wellness needs, and serve you using only natural, earthy products and providing the most authentic and effective inner beauty and outer beauty wellness services. As we hear you being fed up with all the harsh chemicals in and around your life today that do not provide sustained benefits and all too often carry a high risk of adverse reactions or side effects. What we provide is very timely right now, as improved health, lowered health risk, and strengthened immune systems is often on your mind. Now that the Wellness Club has already established the foundation to provide your health core life necessity, we are moving on to your food core life necessity. We know you are exhausted taking care of your everyday repeatable engagement with your food needs, always thinking about what to eat each day, each meal, considering the nutritional impact on your body, analyzing the price of those foods as it pertains to your budget, and then finding time to do the preparation and cooking. It's a lot. We get it. Our next phase will solve this modern day problem by taking your taste and meal preferences, aligning your monthly budget that you normally spend on food, finding ways to nutritionally enhance those meals without greatly altering the taste, and then putting those orders out to an online marketplace where only local and humane businesses fulfill them. So we're not asking you to spend more money. You'll just be able to steadily move your existing budget into this new network, this localized, personalized marketplace. The gains that you will realize are, number 1, you won't have to worry about what you're going to eat tonight or next week. Number 2, your food will be more fresh since it's coming from local sources, and fresher food often makes us feel healthier and more vibrant. Number 3, you will feel good knowing you are supporting your local farmers and local food system businesses. And number 4, you will become more resilient to whatever future global shock events will occur. It may sound too good to be true, but the Kansas City Wellness Club specializes in turning the impossible into the possible. We are all active participants in the world that emerges around us. No one is a passive witness. We can all be the change that we want to see in this world.